AI can write poems, paint pictures, even compose music. But as machines get more creative, are humans becoming less so? Let's talk about what we're losing in this new creative age. Welcome back to EchoMind. In our last video, we explored how AI can enhance creativity. Today, we're flipping the coin to examine how AI might actually be hurting it. Let's face it, it's tempting to let AI do the thinking, need a headline, prompt it, need a melody, generate it. But the more we rely on AI, the less we exercise our own creative muscles. Most AI tools are trained on existing content, which means they often remix the same ideas. Over time, creativity risks becoming repetitive, predictable, and, well, a little boring. For many creators, AI is intimidating. If a machine can write better, faster, what's the point of even trying? This mindset kills creative motivation before it even starts. Why learn to paint if AI can do it in seconds? Why study music theory when you can just click, generate track? As fewer people practice their craft, true mastery and originality begin to fade. When AI creates art, who really owns it? The machine, the prompt engineer, or the creators it borrowed from? These questions blur the lines of authorship and creative credit. AI isn't inherently bad, but using it without intention can weaken the very creativity it was meant to support. The real danger? Letting it replace the thinking, dreaming, and daring that make us human. So, what do you think? Is AI a creative partner or a threat to imagination? Let us know in the comments, subscribe and stay curious. Because EchoMind is just getting started.